Hello guys, in this video I'm going to thread in the monogram machine or computerized embroidery machine. So if you want to pass the thread, there is a systematic way to pass the thread. So I'm going to pass the thread on the video one now for you to see how it's being done. So what you do is that you put the thread here, then there's a white plastic here behind the machine stand, behind the thread stand here. Then you put it here, right? Put it here, put it here. So, right, you put it here, here, right. You come over here, you put it here. Then you come over here, put it here on the screen. Raise this top. Then you're gonna remove this, right? Remove this. Then you get a needle, right? Then you're gonna put the thread inside the needle, right? Then this, right? So pull this up a little bit, then you put your thread inside, then you come over here, this way, right? Then you come this way, go over here like this, then you come here, then you hold this 2 times, 1, 2, on the second side, you bring it over here, the second, please take note, the second you're going to put over here, right? Bring it here, and then you come straight down, come straight down. There's 2 springs here. Then you're going to put the thread on the side of this spring, right? Right. This way. Right. And then take it up to the take up level. Then up, down. Use this thread over. Then put the thread inside the needle. Pass the thread through the needle. Alright.